Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. This morning I'm going to be showing you guys how I peel beans super fast and super easy. Should in case you want to make moi moi or you want to make akara, you don't have to soak your beans. Just come along guys and let me show you how I peel my beans. I added it inside my blender, and after that I will be adding water. I added water, then you cover it. Then you blend it slowly. Sorry guys, my blender this turned well. If the blender don't stay well, it's not going to blend. So I need to keep doing it until. So this is you blend, you off, 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 you off. So our beans is ready to be washed. So now I'm going to take it to my pot. Guys, I did one batch before because the beans was mush. So I did, this one was the one I showed you people, and this is it. So now I'll be adding water. This is water. I'll be adding it and pouring it in here. I'll be adding more water. So this is it guys. You just wash it, do it like this, and drain it. So this is our beans, you see. So this is the skin. So I will add more water and wash until all these peels are off. Super easy guys. If you want to make akara, instant akara or instant moi moi, just do it like this. Super easy. No need of soaking your beans before washing. So just do it like this. Super easy. Just add water 3 or 4 times and wash. Your beans is good to go. So this is it guys. We are still going to roast it again. So I'm still going to add more water. So as you can see guys, the peel is almost off. So just keep washing it. Keep doing it until all the peas, the peel are off, not peels, peel, all the skin. Okay. So as you can see guys, it's almost done. It's almost done. Just keep doing it until all the peas are off the beans. Okay, I'll be adding water for the last time. So this is our beans, guys. See it? Now it's good to go. And these are the peas, the peel, the skin. So this is our beans. This is the end and the final look of our beans. So look at it, guys. This is the end part of our beans. It's not properly clean. So if you like the way I do it, try it. If you want to make moi or akara, just do it. It is super easy and super fast. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. God bless you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.